Double Diamond Railroad Bank, mid-afternoon, do not hump Wednesday. Just looked up the clock and thought, oh my, well, I never changed my clock yet. Down here, missed one. Actually missed two in the basement. Had to get that fixed. We're gonna do a short video. We got the, all the Caterpillar crew is in the yard, clearing everything out before they ballast, getting everything level. So these guys got to put the maintenance train back in there so they have materials to draw from and throw their debris up in the gondola. So we're going to get them down in the yard lead and get them back to their position so they can be able to start and do more at their work, try to finish cleaning it up before the ballast comes in. Oh, we got power out. Never mind here. I forgot we were doing that work before. Get the power back on. Had a whole block turned off. There we go. I knew I just cleaned that, so it wasn't bad. The whole block 2 turned off. It drove into it. Oh, we got engines all to track, sounds like. I just put him on. Sounds like he's jumping. Maybe the guardrails, rail guards got him back on. Okay, let's stop here. I got to show you on the other side. Okay, we'll bring him on back. Going to take the whole maintenance train down the long siding, kind of like the runaround track. One side of the runaround. Here's all our equipment in there working ahead of time. Smooth everything out. Got to get Bob's in there. Got some more equipment back here. He's going down the siding. Got fuel for all the equipment. Got the shub platforms back there. There comes a box car with supplies and the ever important gondola. Put this whole string, maintenance train in here. I'm going to stop right here before we hit the switch back there. That way we can get fuel in the engines too. There's the scene back there. Dozer's working. Backhoe's working. The big hoes are working. And we'll have to slip the fuel truck in there on the rear engine. That's all we can do right now. The big cat's going to have to move after we fuel this engine back here. Made him stop working for now. So there's the scene, the setup for the ballasting of the yard. We're going to have to find our rock hoppers to haul that in. Right now I got 3 of them staged at the concrete plant. And I'm not sure where the other ones are. Have to look around. I think I might be clear on the east side of the layout. Not sure about that. Okay, that's all we're going to have today. Everybody take care. God bless. Have a great week. The end of our good weather is coming after tonight. Rains and cools down to the 50s. We've been like 66 every day for a long while now. But we do need some rain. We haven't had rain since like the 31st. So we'll take it. Rain coming overnight, they say, and tomorrow morning. See if we can get that rain. Everybody have a good week. Take care. Enjoy your trains. Double Diamond Railroad out.